join to our Telegram, become a subscriber, and you're gonna get full access to all our property listing, and you can search it anywhere and everywhere. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post almost every week for a new video. If you have any question or concern about real estate and new projects in Malaysia, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'm here to assist you with the latest information and advice. And if you want more of my content during the week, make sure you're following me on Facebook, IG and TikTok. Almost every single post on IG, I also post about new projects available in Malaysia and property info. So if you don't want to be missed a part of that, make sure you follow me. With that said, my love, see you guys on next video. Roger out.